Hello guys, welcome to Himalayan Chronicles. Today we are going to show a quick review of macOS Tanhoi Beta. By the way, you have come to know that the macOS has been now named as macOS 26. This is the first beta called as macOS Tanhoi. So basically, lot of transparency things have come up and derived from Vision OS. As you can see, I have opened the beta setup. I have selected macOS 26 Tanhoi Beta in the beta updates, and I'm going to install it. Roughly it's going to take about size of I think 8 GB, 7 to 8 GB roughly. Lot of transparency is available, lot of transparent menus are available. So let's see, depending on internet speed, how long will it take. And as you know, Mac OS has started enabling look of Vision OS on its all products, including iOS 26, Mac OS Tanhoi 26, as well as all silicon Macs are supported, guys. If you have any Mac Mini M1, M2, M4 and so on, all silicon products are supported with a new version of Mac OS Tanhoi, and also few models starting from 2019 model are supported, and roughly 8 GB as you can see here. The download depends on the time of your internet, and here you can see it also gives you details about different revisions of this application update. So basically it enables live tracking, daily activities, as well as it also provides you a call hold option if you have a paid iPhone with this device. And right now it's downloading, so it's going to take a while. I think 10 to 15 minutes it will take. Now it is asking to restart. I'm just rebooting my computer now. So we'll also review the all changes or all the new additions that have been added to Tanhoi in a short while. See the full video to see and feel how the macOS Tanhoi. By the way, I'm installing macOS Tanhoi on Mac Mini M1. Software update has been completed. It took about 15 minutes roughly. So I'm enabling the software update now, completing the configuration. Welcome, as you can see, welcome itself is transparent now. As you can see here, welcome is pretty transparent. And right now I am going to log into my desktop. If you go to about, you will see the version of the Mac OS right away. It says Mac OS Tanhoi. As you can see here, Mac OS Tanhoi. Also called as Mac OS 26. A lot of changes under the hood, guys. As you can see, the widgets are all now translucent or transparent on the right side. Similarly, I can change my different settings, light, dark, and as tinted and transparent, clear. And the application menu also changed now. You can also see the applications loaded on your phone as well. So let us see what are the changes on the control center as well. I see similar control center compared to Sonoma. Here you can see the same control center, but the radio buttons are changed. I can see a little bit of rounded interface on the radio buttons. And coming to other accessibility, and this is main appearance, right, guys? So that is where the entire appearance of the OS is changed now dramatically. And also Apple Intelligence is similar. You have image background and the same application supported. Apple Intelligence is now expanded to multiple regions as well, including India, China, and other countries as well. Similarly, let us see the desktop. Okay, screen resolution almost similar. Depending on your monitor, I can enable HDR or select the suitable resolution. As you can see, this is a wallpaper. By the way, bright wallpaper is not able to select directly, but you can change the appearance directly from the menu. So as you can see now, the bottom icons are a bit transparent, dark in nature, and the clock icon also changed on the left side. I can see the clock icon translucent, and also right side widgets are also translucent. So Stage Manager is still available. I can enable, disable Stage Manager, and lot other wallpapers by default are also enabled here. So I can download as per the requirement. So Sonomo, after Sonomo, Tanhoi is actually definitely a boost to Apple products, especially on the translucent style. And as you can see here, the application menu is totally changed. I don't see the icons that we used to get, the full screen icons. So here you need to select the application name so that you can have the icons. And by the way, indexing is happening. So once the indexing is done, we'll come to know how is the application menu, the icon showing up. Okay. So here I can see file customization as well, similar, almost similar to that feature. Finder is also similar. Main difference I see is mainly daily live activities, and also iPhone mirroring. This is available earlier also, but now it is more seamless. The splash screen is also different now. Okay, and one more thing is I heard that application menu is now hidden in the application file manager. As you can see now, I'm able to see all the application listed, but when I click on the application menu directly, it's not visible. So its indexing is happening. We'll see how the icons will show up, and there is also addition that iPhone apps also will be visible. So control center, as you can see, a lot of transparency is showing up. When I click on that bubble, you can see the transparent slider, and new widgets are also being added. All of them have become transparent in nature. As you can see, glass interface. This is called as glass interface, by the way. Very nice feature, guys. Many widgets have been overwhelmed, and they are revamped totally to look like a glass interface. Amazing, guys. As indexing is completed, now you can see the application menu. You might be seeing some mobile icon as well beside the application. That means it's a mobile application. If you have iPhone attached to the same account, you will be able to see mobile applications icons as well. When you click on that, ideally it should launch the iPhone mirroring, and then you will be able to launch the mobile application within the iPhone mirroring. Let's see how it works. But indexing is still going on. As you can see on the top, indexing is going on, and icons values are also getting refreshed. The icons, very nice interface, guys. I really like the interface. I can categorize the list, and also I can make it alphabetical order, as you can see here. Let us see what are the other changes under the hood. Okay, and Apple was on the WWDC 26, they actually rolled out this particular macOS 10 Hawaii. Very nice interface, seamless, doesn't look like a beta. I have not seen any major bugs except iPhone mirroring sometimes not working. And as you can see here, now when I click on the icon, it's pretty fast. Either it was not loading, now the indexing has been completed. I can see all the icons showing up very quickly. Overall, nice feature, guys. Now let us see the transparency settings now. Now I just make it light, glass-like interface, complete glass-like interface, guys. Translucent menus, as you can see here. The whole menu structure is translucent. Amazing, isn't it? The moment I said dark, tinted, clear, I can also change the colors of the icons as well. These are all good features, guys. Depending on the icon, the interface that I'm selecting, as you can see, tinted. All icons have become tinted now in the appearance section. I can make it clear, tinted, dark, and light. The moment I select light, the icons will change it to more lighter. As you can see now, the wallpaper also has changed to lighter interface. Beautiful looking, guys. I can see the glass-like interface in every element of this macOS 10 Hawaii. As you can see here, now I am changed to dark. I can keep my wallpaper light, and I can change it to dark as well, or tinted. A lot of permutation combinations are now supported. I really like the overall interface. Very clean interface, guys. This is a major overhaul of the way how Mac OS looks. And over the course of years, if you observe, right from Mac OS Lion until now Mac OS 26, lot of refinements have been happened, and also amazing, guys, just amazing. And coming to Apple Intelligence, I don't see any major new changes. I think models have been replaced. New models might have been replaced, and the new models are getting installed. Image background is still available as one of the core component of Apple Intelligence. Siri also has been developed to look more natural intelligence and natural language proposition. And here you can see the wallpaper of our Mac OS, the beautiful Tenhoi. So we are expecting the final version to be released somewhere in the fall, September or October. Let's see, fingers crossed. And coming to notification, as I told you, daily updates are also supported. Let's say, for example, live activities. You have ordered a Amazon courier and you want the courier status to be displayed as a live tile. This live tile also is getting displayed on the Mac OS Tenhoi. Let's order something and we will see how the live tile is being displayed, guys. So now the indexing has been completed. You can see when I click on the application, some of them are showing from iPhone. Since I have an iPhone registered on the same Apple ID, I can click on that application to launch the application ideally by using iPhone mirroring. But as you can see here, it's not at all launched yet. So there is some issues, some bugs still. I can see the iPhone interface, but it is not launching the application from the iPhone to be displayed on the screen. Let us wait for the next beta version. So I was talking about the live widget. I placed an order on Blinkit and I can see the current arriving status on the top bar. And by the way, these are the different changes that are showing as per documentation. The stunning new design, of course, a glass-like interface. Your entire spotlight is different. Live activities are showing up on your desktop. And as well, Apple Games app has been renewed. We will look into Apple Games later. Apple Intelligence now supports Image Playground with new models and as well as streamlined communication. So I have an iPhone 13 or iPhone 15 Pro, then you can probably silence the calls, hold the calls, and also use a voice message and as well as screening the calls. So let's explore further. Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to our lovely channel Himalayan Chronicles, guys.